want to do nothing. I want to do stuff.
Who is this?
Blake and Drew and Mommy.
It's the 3 girls, right?
3 girls and 2 boys are crazy.
What do we have to do?
Have 3 girls
We have to stick together,
stick together.
the girls.
The girls
And what are we doing right now? Snuggling.
snuggling,
Us girls are snuggling.
sniggling.
Yep.
Uh,
Say, I love you.
I love you.
We love Drew. We love Drew.
I don't talk about the baby. The baby's gonna come out pretty soon.
The baby's already out.
Out. Oh, what is it?
She's right there.
I don't want a video anymore. Okay, Mommy, I don't want a video anymore.
Are we all done?
Yes.
Say hi, Drew. Hi, Drew. I'm about, I don't know, 5 days old. 5 days old. Hi, world. Here I am.